Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about computer networks, what a computer network is and why it is so important in today's digital world. So first, let's understand the meaning. In simple word, a computer network is a group of two or more computers and other devices such as printers, servers and mobile devices that are connected together so they can share the data, resources and information. These connections can be of two types. First one is the wire and second one is the wireless. Wire means using the cables like Ethernet and wireless is using the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. For example, the internet is the largest computer network in the world. Now the big question is why it is so much important. Computer networks are important because they make our digital life faster, easier and more connected. Let's understand how. First reason is the resource sharing. Through the networks, we can share printers, scanners, storage devices and software. This helps in saving cost and time. Second one is the data sharing and communication. Networks allows us to send emails and messages instantly. We can share the files, conduct the video calls and online meetings and also use the cloud services. This third reason is the internet access. Multiple users can use the same internet connection through a network. This is essential for online learning, banking, shopping or work from home, etc. Centralized management, the data can be stored and managed from one central place that we can call it as a server. This makes the backup easier, security stronger and the data control and more efficient. Next reason is the improves the productivity. Network helps team work together from different locations. This leads to faster decision making, better collaboration and increase the efficiency. Next is the essential for modern services. Today many services completely depend on computer network such as online exam, banking system, hospitals, railway and social media platform. Without the computer network, modern digital services would not function properly. Remember this. In short, we can say that the computer network is the collection of interconnected computers that share the resources and information. It is important because it enables the communication, data sharing and efficient use of resources. I hope you now have a pretty clear understanding of the topic. Now based on this theory, let's start our 100 MCQs challenge with the accurate answer in this series. Try to answer as many questions as possible before checking the answers. So, are you ready? Let's get started.